Welcome, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to be here with me again on another Healthy Hustle. My name is Kevin Larson for New Earth, and over the last few weeks, we have been driving into the details of all of the important nutrients you should be getting from your diet. And today, we're going to wrap up this series by taking a closer look at a nutrient that is important but often totally overlooked, which is interesting because it's the thing that you see most readily when looking at food. We're going to be talking about phytopigments, the colors of your food. Phytopigments are responsible for all the different color variations that you see in plants, from the characteristic green of leaves to the dashing red of roses. The plants around us all get their color thanks to phytopigments. These colors aren't just for us to enjoy looking at, though. Each color serves a purpose for the plant itself. For instance, some bright colors like yellows and oranges are used to attract insects to aid in cross-pollination. Other plants have dull colors in order to blend into the environment. Additional things like certain phytopigments are important for plant processes, like the creation of food and energy for the plant. I'd be willing to bet that there is at least one phytopigment you remember learning about in high school science class. And it's probably the only one they talk about in high school. That pigment is called chlorophyll. And as I'm sure you remember, chlorophyll is responsible for the various shades of green in plant life. It's also a pigment that is used during photosynthesis. Another group of phytopigments is carotene. This group is known for a broader spectrum of colors such as red, yellow, and orange. Carotene pigments are responsible for helping plants attract animals or insects to help with pollination or seed dispersion. When you see plants with colors like purple, violet, or blue, it's because of a group of pigments known as anthocyanins, which also serve an aesthetic function to attract animal pollinators. As you can see, phytopigments are very diverse. They each have their own chemical makeup and serve different purposes. However, these pigments aren't only beneficial for plants, they are also great for your health. First and foremost, phytopigments have antioxidant properties that work to protect your cells by neutralizing free radicals before they cause damage. If you aren't familiar with the many benefits of antioxidants, you can follow the link in the description to learn more. Phytopigments have also been linked to overall improved immune function. Certain pigments are better for this than others. For example, quercetin, which is found in most dark green vegetables, is known to have numerous effects such as blocking histamine production and promoting the production of immune cells. Other pigments, especially chlorophyll, have been found to play a role in promoting cellular regeneration. This makes it an incredible nutrient for those looking to slow the natural aging process and stave off wrinkles and other signs of aging. And last, but certainly not least, including phytopigments in your diet can help boost energy. Research has shown that pigments like chlorophyll have a modulating effect on adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is the compound that captures energy and uses it to fuel various cellular processes. From a cellular perspective, ATP is the definition of energy. Without getting too far into the science of it, this modulation essentially means that your body can derive energy from sunlight when you include chlorophyll in your diet. Isn't that fascinating? So if you want to enrich your diet with phytopigments, you're probably wondering which foods you need to add to your grocery list. With each pigment being so different, the foods you'll want to grab will vary depending on the particular pigment that you're after. For instance, you can easily add chlorophyll to your diet with green vegetables like spinach, kale, parsley, broccoli, asparagus, green beans, peas. Wheatgrass is also known to be rich in chlorophyll. Not as tasty as spinach or asparagus, but still wheatgrass. If you're after more carotenoids, good news, with over 600 known pigments that fall into the carotenoid family, you can find these pigments in a large variety of foods, especially fruits and vegetables, things like yams, sweet potatoes, watermelon, papaya, spinach, mangoes, all great things. Meanwhile, the purple and blue pigments, known as anthocyanins, again, are known for their powerful antioxidant properties and can be found in foods like grapes and blackberries and strawberries, things like that. If you're looking for a single food source that is rich in a variety of phytopigments, you're in luck. You're in the right place. Look no further than AFA, Afanisomena flaccaqua. Especially these blue-green algae, like AFA is, that rare blue-green algae known as wild microalgae or organic wild microalgae, AFA, Afanisomena flaccaqua, all of it, is a great source of many phytopigments, including chlorophyll, glycocyanin, beta-carotene, and more. Plus, this powerful superfood contains a variety of other important nutrients like amino acids, vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids. It's fantastic. If you want to learn more about the power of organic wild microalgae, just follow the link in the description and you'll be led to some great places to continue that study. And that is it for the Healthy Hustle today. Phytopigments. Get them, eat them, and your life will be better for it. Thank you, everybody. We'll see you on the next one.